Hello everyone, my name is Ryan, and I have the distinct honor of performing today's ceremony. On behalf of Kelsey, Janine, and their families, we'd like to welcome each of you and thank you for joining us today. This afternoon, we are here to celebrate love. We come together to witness and proclaim the joining of these two people in marriage. By your presence today, you're supporting and celebrating in this union, acting as a reminder that relationships thrive within community.
We were born before the wind, also younger than the sun. Yeah, the bonnie boat was one as we sail into the mystic. I can now hear the sailors cry, smell the sea and feel the sky. Let your soul and spirit fly into the mystic. And where that foghorn blows, I will be coming home. Yeah, when the foghorn blows, I wanna hear it. I don't have to fear it, and I wanna rock your gypsy soul, just like way back in the days of old. And magnificently we will fold into the mystic. When that foghorn blows, you know I will be coming home. Yeah, when that foghorn whistle blows, I gotta hear it. I don't have to fear it, and I wanna rock your gypsy soul, just like way back in the days of old. And together we will fold into the mystic. Come on, girl.
In the presence of my family and friends, I, Kelsey, choose you, Janine, to be my wife.
In the presence of my family and friends, I, Kelsey, choose you, Janine, to be my wife.
I pledge to be your best friend, your confidant, and your strength.
I pledge to be your best friend, your confidant, and your strength.
I will work to create a household filled with love, patience, and respect.
I will work to create a household filled with love, patience, and respect.
To love you when our love is simple and when it's complex.
To love you when our love is simple and when it's complex.
I promise to cherish you and to always hold you in the highest regard.
I promise to cherish you and to always hold you in the highest regard.
To stand by your side while you face the world.
To stand by your side while you face the world.
To never stop holding your hand.
To never stop holding your hand.
I vow to always communicate with you freely and honestly.
I vow to always communicate with you freely and honestly.
To love you fiercely and to love you without measure.
To love you fiercely and to love you without measure.
Janine, I give you this ring that you may wear it
Janine, I give you this ring that you may wear it
as a symbol of the vows we made this day.
as a symbol of the vows we made this day.
I pledge you my love and respect,
I pledge you my love and respect,
my laughter and my tears.
my laughter and my tears.
With all that I am, I honor you.
With all that I am, I honor you.
Kelsey, I give you this ring that you may wear it
Kelsey, I give you this ring that you may wear it
as a symbol of the vows we made this day.
as a symbol of the vows we made this day.
I pledge you my love and respect,
I pledge you my love and respect,
my laughter and my tears.
my laughter and my tears.
With all that I am, I honor you.
With all that I am, I honor you.
Ooh, looks good.
It is now my great honor and joy to introduce Kelsey and Janine to you as married.
Well, my buckle makes impressions on the inside of her thigh. There are little feathered Indians where we tussled through the night. If I'd known she was religious, then I wouldn't have came stoned to the house of such an angel, too fucked up to get back home. Looking over West Virginia, smoking spirits on the roof, she asked, ain't anybody told you that them things are bad for you? I said, many folks have warned me, there's been several people try, but up till now there ain't been nothing that I couldn't leave behind. Hold me close, my dear, sing your whispering song softly in my ear, and I will sing along. Honey, tell me how your love runs true, and how I can always count on you. Be there when the bullets fly. I'd run across the river just to hold you tonight. Well, my heart is sweating bullets from the circles it has raced like a little.
So I've had the privilege of growing up with Kelsey for about almost 36 years now. And I have about 36 years of embarrassing stories I could share with you right now, or I can tell Kelsey how much she means to me, and how much I love her, and how much to her relief I'm going to do that. You are absolutely, without a doubt, the first person I have ever loved. I've loved you from the first time when you came home from the hospital. I loved you when we put on shows for Mom. I loved you when you shared a bedroom with me and shared all your stuffed animals. I've always loved you, and I always will. Because to be honest, loving you is the easiest thing I've ever done. And now, you have Janine, someone else who will never stop loving you. Janine, I will never stop thanking you for the love, patience, and support you have shown my sister. Your kindness is uncomparable, and you are truly everything I could possibly want for my sister.
Kelsey, thank you for making my sister the most confident and happy she has ever been.
I can see her dreams coming true right before our eyes. You have been her biggest supporter, her best friend, and loved her the way she deserves to be loved. I can truly say that the happiest I have ever seen Janine in my whole life is while she has been with you, Kelsey. I can never thank you enough for that, and I am so happy you are officially a part of our family. Janine, seeing you become the woman you are today is everything I could have hoped for you. You have always been there for me, and I'm so happy that I get to be here for you today.
I've enjoyed watching your guys' love story unfold through the years, from the time you were grungy high school hippies to adventure-bound babes making your way across the states. You guys have always had such a good time together, and it's truly been an honor watching your love blossom into what it is today. And every single person you guys meet along the path just falls in love with you for who you are and the love that you bring into the room. And I'm so grateful to be here and just celebrating you. And with that, I'd love to have everybody raise their glass, give a toast to the brides, and I wish you a lifetime of more adventures, love, and happiness. Mwah.
I know it's been a journey for you two to get to where you are today, and I didn't even scratch the surface of your whole story, but what you guys have together is true love. I'm just so honored to be standing here by both of you to celebrate this day, knowing that you guys will have a solid future together, and I'm excited to see what the future holds for you two. Janine, you look absolutely stunning tonight. And Kelsey, I don't think I've ever seen a female pull off a bomb-ass suit like that before, but you're owning it. I'd like to raise my glass and make the last official toast to the beautiful couple. You guys have all my love and support in the world. Cheers.
Give me one more. Hold me close, my dear. Sing your whispering song softly in my ear, and I will sing along. Honey, tell me how your love runs true, and how I can always count on you to be there when the bullets fly. I'd run across the river just to hold you